When it comes to the construction industry, polyurethane can be used in many different applications, as it replaces traditional rubbers, plastics, and even steel. Our in-house design teams and chemists, alongside our tooling and laboratory capabilities, ensure that we're perfectly placed to assist in the development of your polyurethane part, from the ground up. We take your ideas from concept and design through prototyping, tooling, production, and testing, through to delivery anywhere in the world, all under one roof. Whatever it is you require, from screening media, belt scrapers, pump linings, machinery wear parts, isolation pads, track pads, street pads, or even wheels and tyres. We have over 50 years experience and highly skilled teams to help. If you need a brand new polyurethane part or solution, the possibilities are endless.